Chameleons can move their eyes independently. They have 360-degree vision. Their tongue is twice the length of their body. Chameleons don't change color for camouflage but for communication and temperature regulation. They have special pigment cells called chromatophores. Some chameleons can change color in less than 20 seconds. There are over 200 species of chameleons. Most chameleons live in Madagascar and Africa. Chameleons can see ultraviolet light. Their eyes have a wider range of motion than any other vertebrate. They don't have an outer or middle ear, but can sense vibrations. Chameleons' feet are zygodactylous, meaning 2 toes point forward and 2 backward. Their prehensile tails help them grip branches. Some species have tiny horns on their heads. The smallest chameleon is Brachysia nana, about the size of a fingernail. The largest chameleon is the Parsons chameleon, reaching 27 inches. Chameleons don't drink from standing water, they lick dew off leaves. Their skin is covered in nanocrystals that reflect light to change colors. The Jackson's chameleon has 3 horns resembling a mini triceratops. Baby chameleons hatch fully independent. Some chameleons give birth to live young instead of laying eggs. They have no diaphragm so they breathe differently than mammals. Their slow motion movement helps them blend into surroundings. A chameleon's bite is not venomous but can be painful. They use color change to express emotions like stress and aggression. The panther chameleon is one of the most colorful species. Chameleons can sleep upside down. Unlike many lizards, they don't regrow their tails. Chameleons have extremely fragile ribs. They can puff up their bodies when threatened. Well, here we go with some more fascinating chameleon facts. Did you know that some species can see behind them without even moving their heads? Pretty cool, right? And their tongue can accelerate at speeds up to 20 feet per second. That's incredibly fast. Chameleons are mostly insectivores, but they occasionally eat plants too. They can even absorb water through their skin. Female chameleons have the unique ability to lay eggs without mating. Some chameleons can flatten their bodies to appear larger, which is quite the trick. The name chameleon actually means ground lion in Greek. They rely on their tongues rather than their jaws for hunting, and they are one of the most ancient reptile groups, dating back over 100 million years. Unlike most reptiles, chameleons don't shed all their skin at once. Moving on, let's dive into even more intriguing details about these amazing creatures. Their tail acts like a fifth limb, helping them maintain balance. When stressed, a chameleon may turn dark or even black. Interestingly, their skin doesn't actually change color, but reflects different wavelengths of light. Chameleons can remain motionless for hours to avoid predators. The veiled chameleon has a large casque on its head to help with hydration. They have incredibly slow metabolisms, and some species even vibrate to communicate. They can store fat in their tails for survival during food shortages. Chameleons are solitary and can be quite aggressive toward each other. And their eyes? They're among the sharpest in the reptile world. Alright, let's wrap up with some final fascinating facts. Chameleons can distinguish between different prey by color. Their vision is better than a human's in low light, which is pretty impressive. Some chameleons are able to hiss or make faint noises, and they sleep with their eyes closed, just like humans. The flap-necked chameleon can grow up to 14 inches long. They have one of the most precise aim mechanics in the animal kingdom. Males are usually more colorful than females, and some chameleons can survive for weeks without eating. Their tongues are covered in sticky mucus to catch prey, and they can't chew. They swallow their prey whole. They can shoot their tongues even when hanging upside down. Chameleons shed their skin in small pieces over time. They are found in deserts, rainforests, and even mountains. Some species of chameleons can live up to 10 years. Their eyes can zoom in on prey like a camera lens. The Meller's chameleon is one of the heaviest species. Chameleons rarely drink from open water sources. They clean their eyes by pulling in extra fluid. Their unique gait helps them mimic swaying leaves. The Namakwa chameleon can change color to regulate body temperature. Chameleons in captivity need UVB light for vitamin D production. Their tongues are 50 times faster than a human eye blink. Chameleon's skin has an antibacterial property. They prefer climbing over walking on the ground. Some species can camouflage so well, they are nearly invisible. Chameleons are often mistaken for geckos. The Ripaleon brevicaudatus is a tiny species often called the bearded pygmy chameleon. Chameleons have been symbols of adaptability in many cultures. Their eggs can take up to 2 years to hatch. Their vision helps them detect predators from far away. Chameleons have no eyelids, just a scaly covering. They need high humidity to thrive. The fisher's chameleon has a long nose resembling a sword. Some species are endangered due to habitat destruction. Chameleons have been on Earth since the time of dinosaurs. Their slow-walking movement is a survival strategy. They can detect movement up to 5 meters away. Chameleons' colors can also indicate their health condition. Some chameleons can change color even after death. They can be trained to recognize their owners in captivity. Their saliva is 400 times stickier than a human's. They are illegal to own as pets in some countries. A chameleon's diet affects its color vibrancy. Unlike other reptiles, they don't bask for long periods. Their tongues have specialized muscles for precise strikes. Some species live only in high-altitude forests. Chameleons can go without blinking for hours. They are one of the most studied reptiles due to their unique features. The Indian chameleon is the only species found in India. Chameleons remind us that adaptability is key to survival.